U.S. equities fell Wednesday, reversing course after the higher open, with a post-Hurricane Sandy jump in Home Depot include.S stock failing to provide much support for the Dow Industrials, and Facebook Incorporated shares dragging down the Nasdaq Composite Index. The markets are smashing together 3 days of trading into one as it digests both good and bad earnings announcements, said Keith Springer, president of Springer Financial Advisors in Sacramento, California. Sandy had prompted the 2-day shutdown of the New York Stock Exchange, with New York City and the East Coast hit hard by the "Thank you for trying verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased" storm on Monday evening. Read, Power, transit woes plague East Coast after Sandy. The Dow Jones Industrial Average shed 43.65 points, or 0.3%, at 13,063.56. after trading as high as 13,189.08. It's trading around 2.7% lower for the month. Trading had started on a positive note with equities headed higher, likely due to the positive news out of Europe and the reaction to some recent earnings reports out of the likes of Ford, Graham and BP, said Ryan Wibberley, president and founder of CIC Wealth Management Group. Home Depot "Thank you for trying verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased." Shares climbed 2.6%, ranked as the top gainer in the blue chip benchmark. Insurance firm Travelers Cost shares fell 1.1%. Stocks in the housing/construction/industrial sectors, like Home Depot, Lowe's Cost, and Owens Corning are on the rise because these companies will likely benefit from the rebuilding that will follow in the Northeast after Hurricane Sandy, added Wibberley. But insurance companies saw pressure as market participants try to sort out how much of an earnings hit these companies will take in the fourth quarter, due to the massive destruction in the New York/New. "Thank you for trying verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased. Jersey area," he wrote in emailed comments. See, how to speed approval of storm damage claims. General Motors Company shares rose 8.6% after the company posted third-quarter earnings per share of 93 cents that were better than expected, excluding one-time items. See, Graham shares rise on third-quarter results. Ford Motor Co.'s stock added 5.6%. The company reported healthy third-quarter profit margins Tuesday, when the stock market was closed down about 2.3% for the month. The S&P 500 index lost 4.19 points, or 0.3%, at 1,407.75, with healthcare and energy falling. "Thank you for trying verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased." The most and utilities the best performing among its 10 sectors. See, Medicaid expenses cut into Welker earnings. The Nasdaq fell 17.53 points, or 0.6%. at 2,970.39, trading 4.7% lower for the month to date. Shares of Facebook fell 3.5% as the post-IPO lockup on about 229 million shares expired, making them available to the open market. Apple Incorporated saw its stock lose 1.8% as investors reacted to a management shakeup that included the impending departure of Scott Forstall, head of the iOS mobile platform. See, Apple, Facebook. "Thank you for trying verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased." Fall, but Microsoft rises. On Wednesday, decliners slightly outpaced advancers on the NYSE, where 305 million shares traded as of 12:30 p.m. Eastern. Composite volume topped 1.6 billion. U.S. data out Wednesday showed that the Chicago PMI Business Barometer edged up in October to 49.9% from 49.7% in the prior month, but remained below the key 50% mark for the second straight month. Readings below 50% indicate contraction. Some key releases this week include jobless claims and the ADP National Employment Report on Thursday, as well as the Labor Department's October "Thank you for trying verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased." Jobs data Friday. Friday's non-farm payroll figures will be a consideration as we head to the polls next Tuesday, said CIC's Wibberley, referring to the U.S. presidential election. The rebuilding of the Northeast is likely to stoke the view that the economy will get a shot in the arm and that many businesses will be looking to hire, at least for the short term, he added. In other key markets Wednesday, The ICE dollar index erased most of its earlier losses, while gold and oil futures and treasuries climbed.